Moving gravel today. Here's something might be helpful for you. I don't accept apologies. First and foremost, because you or anyone else that apologizes to me didn't do anything wrong. I have no rules for you. I have no standards for you. None. Zero. Zip. Nada. So you can't break any of my rules. You can't break my standards. You cannot do anything to me. Because I have no thing for you to measure against. There are no comparisons to you. You are unique in and of yourself, and the choices that you make are strictly based on the essence of creativity of your expression. And they're only comparable to you. Every day you are at a race against yourself, if you choose to be. So, whatever you choose to do and whatever you choose to be in your life, only you answer for that. Nobody ever comes to me and says, "What about Darby? Karen, you need to explain to me about Darby's behavior." Nobody's ever going to do that. Ever. You're the ruler of your life, and I'm the ruler of my life, and of me, and you of you. And the truth is that no one is the ruler of anyone else. There is no overlord. There is no other outside authority. There is nobody else to look to other than you. That's why you must look inside of yourself, because anything you look outside is strictly a projection of what you think is inside of you. So, no one else answers for anyone else's behavior or choices unless they choose to. Everything you do is a choice. It's always you. You're choosing you. So I choose me or I choose someone else. I choose me or I choose something else. I choose me or I choose another situation. So that's always the choice. There's only ever two choices in any moment. And anytime you choose yourself, you are evolving. Anytime you choose anyone else, you are repeating. So the choice is either evolve or repeat. Evolve or repeat. That's every single second of the day. So if you owe anyone an apology, it would be to yourself, because you're the only one who can break your rules. You're the only one that can choose to break your rules. You're the only one that can set rules. You're the only one that can choose to set rules. You're the only one that can choose to set standards. You're the only one that chooses your behavior. You're the only one. You're literally the only one at the counter of your life, ordering your life. That's it. That's all you're doing. Whatever you do, you perceive as wrong, is based on a belief you hold of what you think is right for you. So anytime a rule is broken, it's because you had a belief about what you thought was right, not necessarily because of a standard that was set by somebody else. You're the one that's choosing to believe that standard. Somebody else is holding a dangling carrot. It's invisible. If you choose to make it real, that's because you choose to make it real. Notice the words. If you choose to make it real, you choose to make it real. Simple. So I can assure you there's nothing in my life that I perceive is wrong. And so be grateful if someone blows off your apology. If someone says no to your apology, that means they have complete acceptance of you, because they have complete acceptance of themselves. They completely accept all your choices, all your ideas, all your life, total acceptance. And you can have that too. When you live deliberately, wild wisdom, word your life deliberately. When you live deliberately, nothing explains and takes more responsibility for your life than that. That was a terrible. Okay,